What up, everybody? FLYIN-FRYMAN here, and second day with the Ultra View Hinge original. Finally set up correctly, got it shooting awesome, and look at this. Target panic is gone completely, 100%. Fuck yeah, buddy. Yeah. Look at this. Amazing shots. Just one flyer there. Just a couple of heavier arrows, but awesome, man. Just pure awesome. Been battling target panic since winter, 9 months. Gone. Finally figured it out. Fought it, and the click works for me. Must be the safety button with all my other releases, which have like 5 or 6 of them, which shoot really good. And I've tamed my target panic, my shot anticipation, but with this, it's gone. I don't need to fight it anymore. It's just finally left. Thank you. Been a great day. Lucky I found this bad boy. Was a pretty rare one. It's the all brass with the back bar and number 20 hook on it, and it's just great deal. I'm lucky I found it. That's what I was looking for in a large Ultra View Hinge original. Fucking awesome. Loving it. Recommend it. Shoot some, send them, live it up. Peace.